Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have some project shares for you today. This is for Kscrafts. This is the March die release. Played with the little drawer book die set, and this is what I came up with. So I made one. Well, I made two. And this is the first one I created, and this is the drawer part. I had these little bows in my stash, so I thought I'd use this to create the drawer pull. And this was a little tricky, guys, I will admit. It's just getting the lines all lined up. My books are both bowing because I didn't line up this edge right here properly, so it's kind of, kind of crooked. Let me show you the back. You can see the line right here. I didn't get it quite lined up, but things happen. It's okay. It's still a functional drawer. I did cut out the flowers that came with the die set, and this is how I chose to create my flowers. And they also created some smaller ones, so I added little pearls. This is what the green ginkgo leaves look like. Oh, well, not green, but the ginkgo leaves. They're very dainty. I will say I would definitely layer these, even if you cut it with cardstock, because the stems are so very thin. I would layer whatever cardstock you're going to use onto some foam and glue it down onto the foam, and then put it through your die cutting machine. They're very pretty though, but they're very, very dainty. I think it'll be sturdier if you put it onto some foam. This little divider here, I created that. That is not included in the die set. All I did was measured the drawer width and the height. So this is, I measured to 4 inches. But when I cut out my cardstock, I measured 5 inches, and I scored it 1/2 inch on one side and 5/8 on the other side, because it was a little too bulgy. So that made it perfect. Yeah, so the inside, very, very tricky. Hannah has a tutorial on how to assemble this. But like I said, this is what I came up with. And mine goes in just a little bit. There's a little bit of a lip there, or a space, which I like. And then this is the second one I created. Loaded up some goodies. I sort of kind of made it in the middle. Same thing with this divider. Just a piece of scrap cardstock. I didn't even decorate it. But on the bottom, I did cover that up. Those are my other word die sets, die cuts. And so all the projects that I've been working on since the beginning of March, I'm just loading them into these little book drawers, drawer books, and also a little bit of glue, hot glue in there. I don't know, you guys can't see it, but right in the back corner. Had to add a little bit of glue there. But that's what the drawer looks like. And I didn't add any sentiments or anything. I was planning on decorating the top with those flowers that I made with these, but they're not popping for me. It's not what I was looking for. So I have to rethink that and come back to that later. So that was one of the alterations. I've shared this lunchbox suitcase in a previous video, but I wanted to add on one of the bunnies, and I added a glitter cardstock behind them as a shadow. And this one I think is pretty much done, but I added in the butterfly paper clip. I put in a little bow pull again, the flat back bow. That's really cute for the handle. And I put in my other goodies that I've die cutted and been working on since, the beginning of March. maybe even February. But yeah, there you go. Those are the alterations I did. I added little bumpers on the inside. This little box can pull out, and I've already showed that before. So I just wanted to come in and share with you all the projects that I created and what I did with them. I just added them into my suitcase, and this little latch right here ready to go. And then these little keys that I die cut from Kscraft. So that is a beautiful little trio. I think it's gorgeous. Look at that. But yeah, stay tuned to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button, join our crafty family. And while you're there, hit the notification bell. And that will let you know when I load a new video like this or when I go live here on my channel. So thanks again for watching. Thumbs up this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.